Hey folks, Adam here, checking out this, my brand new ChefRobot. Absolutely love it. We used it to make pasta just this morning, and now we've got pasta for the holidays. Very excited about that. This is a 10-in-1. It's replacing your food processor, your blender, your steamer, all sorts of devices all right here. So what can this do? Of course it can steam and it can cook. It can literally cook. It can heat, it can work as a scale to where you know how much ingredients you're adding. It can knead and mix, and of course it can whisk. There's so much this can do. It can thicken, it's got a turbo mode. It will blend to where you can make some smoothies with it, act as a thermos, and it'll even ferment, so it's a fermentation device. It'll slow cook, and it'll work as a sous vide. So there's so much that this thing can do. Once you get it, you'll be like, what can't this do? Because you can make basically every type of meal. You need to make up some bread, this will knead it up for you. Want to make some pasta, this will make it for you. Want to blend a smoothie, you got this covered. Slow cook, this will do it. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So first, folks, let me show you how easy this is to use. Want to change the timer? Super easy right there. Just adjust it accordingly. Want to change that temperature? Very straightforward, easy to adjust. Want to do the mixing? This is easy to adjust right there. So a very straightforward device. Now, you want to look up milkshake. We'll just look up milk. And this has so many different options for you. It'll show you, hey, do you want to make almond milk? Vanilla milk? Banana strawberry milkshake? Yeah, let's see a banana strawberry milkshake in just 6 minutes. Now, I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. This is so cool. This device will help you and teach you how to make that banana milkshake in a matter of seconds. Add 1 peeled banana, washed and hulled strawberries, 10 ounces, and it'll weigh it as you go. Add in your sugar, add in your skim milk, vanilla ice cream, add the lid and let it do its work. And this does everything for you, and it'll walk you through step by step. Imagine every meal it goes and shows you step by step how to add things and what you can do here. So this is a really cool device. You want to use it as a scale, you just press the scale button and all of a sudden it shows you exactly what you have here. You can tear it, and this is a great device that will let you do so much cool stuff. Now I love the fact that it is self-cleaning. You can do your steaming, your heating, use it as a scale, your kneading, your cooking, sous vide, and even more. Fermentation, thermal, mixing, thicken, cook rice, turbo mode, mashed potatoes, everything that you could imagine just at a push of a button. Cooking rice, check that out. So easy and so straightforward. Now, when you want to start making meals, it has everything you need. You can pair it to your account, operation guide, basic information. Really a straightforward and smart device that I absolutely love how easy this is to use. So for me, one of the things I like so much about this is that you will replace about 10 different tools in your kitchen. So you're gonna save counter space, and it's a very good looking device, right? Now on top of that, this is certainly a smart cooking, kind of an advanced food processor. And you can access 600 plus recipes, just hundreds and hundreds of recipes tied into that ChefRobot app for endless inspiration when it comes to cooking. Your family's never gonna be bored with cooking again. Amy made me some delicious pasta. We've made soup with this. We've made almond milk. We've made milkshakes. And we're just that's just the tip of the iceberg on this. There's so much more that you can do with it. Now it meets the whole family needs with a 3.5 liter capacity, and this is perfect for meals for the whole family with a built-in scale. This gives precise measurements, and it's perfect for a variety of dishes. Of course, the app control is really smart and easy to use as well. And that big 7-inch screen, color screen, just makes it convenient. You're not working with a little LED or anything. You're working with a big, clean screen that you can see from far away and you can know exactly what you're doing. Now, this is safe and convenient with a safety lock built in to keep it safe for your kids, and a temperature range from 98 degrees to 320 degrees Fahrenheit allows versatile cooking for a wide range of recipes. I tell you what, this thing has easy navigation, straightforward, and it is, again, replacing 10 different devices in your kitchen. It's good looking, and it's going to make a real difference when it comes down to the foods you can make. I'm talking pastas like spaghetti. I'm talking soups. Watson loves making soups in this thing. And you know what? This thing is lauded by people left and right. I've read so many positive reviews and so many people just happy with this as a cooking assistant. Okay, now it's got that 6,000 max RPM, so this thing is able to cut, stir, whisk, and blend easier than anything I've seen before. That wide range of temperature, and of course it's self-cleaning, so you never have to worry about difficult cleanup like with some of those other devices. So beverages, side dishes, pastas, salads. I bet you can't wait for that Christmas party. You can bring so much. Snacks like cookies and appetizers, desserts, soups, sauces, main dishes, and bread. There's so much you can do here, and don't forget, don't get stingy with the dairy. There's so much you can have fun with here. So folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about some really, really cool products here, and this one is a winner. People are raving about it, and I've been a fan for a long time. My buddy Watson loves it, Amy loves it, and yeah, I was really completely sold on the unboxing because this was just a sturdy piece. You know, I could tell it was a premium product right out of the box. That mattered to me. And I gotta say, this is a precision tool that I absolutely love, and I think you're going to love as well. So folks, take it from me. This is a big winner, and it's going to revolutionize the way you cook, steam, and bake in your household. Folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. My name is Adam. We're talking about the best of the best, and you're gonna wanna pick this up so you can forget the rest. Thanks for watching, and go pick one up. Goodbye, my friends.